Hello everyone, Angelica here with Larry the Computer Guy. We are an IT managed service provider in Commerce, Michigan, specializing in cybersecurity and compliance. Today for In the News, early this month, SpaceX's Falcon 9 rocket successfully took off from Cape Canaveral, Florida and deployed its GPS-3 SV-04 satellite. The Falcon 9's first stage also successfully landed on SpaceX's drone ship following takeoff. They were originally set to launch early October, but had some issues with an early ignition, triggering an abort. I'm glad to see that they were able to get it done this month. These GPS-3 satellites are supposed to be 3 times more accurate than their predecessors and meant to be more user-friendly for civilians. I know I love my GPS usage, so I can't wait to see how more accurate these versions are. Thank you. I hope you have a great week.